OpenText are proud of their somewhat secretive work with the biggest governments and banks, but not many people know we also have a secret assignment with Santa. Who knew that Santa uses a CRM to track the good and the naughty kids, and uses OpenText to capture and manage all those letters from hopeful children? With the population boom and increased demands on the elves, Santa and the workshops struggle to keep up. Can OpenText help save Christmas? By providing the right solutions to capture, manage and deliver all this information for Santa in an intelligent, automated and connected way. Let's show you. So throughout the winter, as letters come into Santa, we use our core capture product to detect and read the letters. Timmy sends his wish list to Santa and we use AI technology, maybe even magic, to read the key information. Using a single click, Santa can view the original wish list next to the populated Salesforce data. In this case, all elements of the document have been successfully read, so we auto-store the letter in Santa's workspace. At OpenText, we use smart business workspaces to represent elements of the organization. In other words, we use workspaces to create digital twins of business entities. This allows us to form complex relationships between objects across Salesforce and other apps. If we click into the letters folder, we can see all the letters we have received so far. And we can see who sent them in early and who sent them in late using facet search. But where we can really help Santa is with our new AI-based Aviator platform. This can help us summarize individual documents, but it can also help us summarize the entire data set. So let's ask Santa what the most popular requests were this year. The Elves have also found a missing Barbie in stock, so who asked for that? Let's reunite them with their present. Yeah. Santa and his team of elves now have a seamless way to access all the information they need right at their jolly little fingertips, keeping all letters and information together in one place, accessing everything from within Salesforce to provide an enhanced 360-degree view